How to view your posts and comments on Reddit. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily view your posts and comments on Reddit. So let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is open up your Reddit app and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're logged into your account, all you have to do now is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Once you land on your profile page, you'll find your username, and right below that, you'll have your Karma Reddit age. And then right below that, you have your profile. Tap on profile and you'll land on your profile page. And here you'll be able to see all of the Reddit posts that you have made and your history. You could also edit them. If you tap on the three lines, you can delete them, share them, and save it to your saved option. So the next step you can do is to find your comments that you've made on Reddit, tap on comments, and you'll be able to see your comment history here. I haven't made any comments, so let's just go ahead and make a comment here. Tap on it, tap on join the conversation, type in any comment, and then post. Once you post a comment, just go back and then go to your profile again, tap on profile, and go to comments. And here you'll be able to see your comments. Now you can edit it and then you can delete it if you want. So tap on it. And if you want to delete, tap on delete. And now your comment has been deleted. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.